Today I am going to present noun part 2. So in first part I have already talked about proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and today I am going to talk about material noun, abstract noun, and and countable and uncountable noun. So now look here, noun part 2. So here there are two pictures given here. So in this picture a woman is wearing different types of ornaments. So now what is the ornament made of? Now we will talk here. Number 4, material noun. The material noun ink, milk, diamond, gold. Here that woman is wearing gold ornament, and here iron, sugar, again this one is gold, silver. So material nouns are names of materials or substances out of which things are made. Now characteristics of material noun. It denotes substances. It names raw materials or natural substances, for example iron, wool, water, oil. Uncountable noun. Generally material nouns cannot be counted. So we don't say 2 coppers. We say 2 pieces of copper or a bar of copper. No plural form. Usually they are mostly used in the singular form. For example, gold is expensive, not golds are expensive. Not preceded by a or an, because they are uncountable. A milk is wrong here. So instead of a milk we can write a glass of milk. Can be measured by quantity, weight. We use units like liter, kilogram, meter, bar, piece, bottle, etc. For example, 1 liter of oil, 2 kilograms of sugar. Now, examples of material noun. The material, first one is here, metals. The gold, silver, copper, iron, aluminium. Clothing materials, cotton, wool, silk, nylon. Building materials, wood, cement, sand, brick, stone. Food, drink, milk, rice, sugar, tea, water, oil. Natural substances, air, rain, sunlight, soil. Sentences using material nouns. Gold is used to make ornaments. This chair is made of wood. She bought a silk saree. The roof is made of iron sheets. Water is essential for life. Cotton grows in hot regions. Sugar dissolves in tea quickly. The walls are built with bricks. Milk gives us calcium. Air is necessary for breathing. Now here is exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct material noun. The chair is made of ... wood, rice, sugar. So the students will do it. Now abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Although there are 4 pictures given here, but this picture actually describes some types of feeling. So here in the first picture we say that a man and woman, and they are showing love to each other. So, in that picture, this girl is showing honesty. Now, what is abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name of something that we cannot see, touch, smell, taste, or hear directly. It refers to ideas, qualities, feelings, or states of being rather than physical objects. In simple words, abstract nouns are the names of things we can only think or feel but not touch. For example, qualities: honesty, bravery, kindness, wisdom; feelings: love, anger, happiness, sadness; ideas: freedom, justice, peace, knowledge; states: childhood, poverty, friendship, beauty. Key features: they are intangible. We can't use our five senses to experience them directly. They are often formed from adjectives, verbs, or common nouns. They mostly answer the question, what is it, in terms of feelings, qualities, or ideas. Now, here abstract nouns from adjectives. The suffix are examples. The first suffix is ness. The kind, kindness; great, greatness; selfish, selfishness; happy, happiness; sad, sadness. ity, active, the activity; stupid, stupidity; pure, purity; real, reality; civil, civility; royal, royalty; cruel, cruelty; loyal, loyalty; certain, certainty; novel, novelty; absent. Now ENC: absent, absence; silent, silence; patient, patience; intelligent, intelligence; obedient, obedience. ANCE: important, importance; brilliant, brilliance; abundant, abundance; reliant, reliance; defiant, defiance. CY: urgent, urgency; efficient, efficiency; decent, decency; accurate, accuracy; frequent, frequency. Now, abstract nouns from verbs. Now, suffix is here meant. Achieve, achievement; treat, treatment; invest, investment; move, movement; amaze, amazement. AL: the arrive, arrival; propose, proposal; refuse, refusal; approve, approval; betray, betrayal. ION: act, action; react, reaction; connect, connection; protect, protection; invent, invention. ANCE: accept, acceptance; perform, performance; guide, guidance; disturb, disturbance; endure, endurance. SION: include, inclusion; divide, division; extend, extension; collide, collision; decide, decision. SSION: admit, admission; permit, permission; commit, commission; omit, omission; submit, submission. AGE: marry, marriage; carry, carriage; pass, passage; post, postage; waste, wastage. TION व ATION: admire, admiration; celebrate, celebration; examine, examination; declare, declaration; starve, starvation. CATION: apply, application; clarify, clarification; multiply, multiplication; justify, justification; quality, qualification. Y: the assembly, assemble, assembly; flatter, flattery; discover, discovery; inquire, inquiry; recover, recovery. Then after URE, the praise, pressure, fail, failure, please, pleasure, depart, departure, proceed, procedure. TH, grow, growth, way, wait, heal, health, die, death, strong, strength. Now, here miscellaneous abstract noun. So, noun or verb, it's abstract noun. The cry, cry. Fear, fear. Love, love. Lose, loss. Sell, sell. See, sight. Bless, blessing or bliss. Think, thought. Vary, variance, variety. Die, death. Hope, hope. Desire, desire. Know, knowledge. Obey, obedience. Hate, hated. Lie, lie. Speak, speech. Untie, unity, unite, unity or union. Choose, choice, bear, birth or bearing. Now, here is an exercise. So, choose the correct abstract noun from the options given at the end of each sentence. Honesty is the ... Three options is here: truth, honesty, policy. So which one is right? The students will do it. So now here answer the following questions. So this one is the answer of the exercises which I have just presented. So students may check here answers too. Now countable and uncountable noun. The countable, uncountable. The burger, fries, apple. Water, milk, bread. So countable, sandwich, eggs, candy, grapes, salad, carrot, pizza, olive, hot dog, cookie, cake. And uncountable, rice, fruit, cheese, chocolate, tea, meat, honey, flour, sugar, jam, cereal, butter. Now, countable nouns. The definition. Countable nouns are the names of objects, people, places, ideas or things that can be counted. They have singular and plural forms. Example, one book, two books, a pen, many pens, a boy, three boys. Key features of countable nouns. Can be counted with numbers 1, 2, 3. Can be used with an or dog and apple. Have plural forms by adding ses or irregular form child, children, man, men. Can be used with words like many, few, several, or number of. Now, example sentences. I have 2 pencils. She bought an apple. There are many books. Now, uncountable nouns. Definition. Uncountable nouns are the names of substances, materials, feelings, qualities, or abstract ideas that cannot be counted individually. They usually do not have plural forms. Example, water, rice, sugar, air, milk, music, happiness, information, furniture. Key features of uncountable nouns. Cannot be counted directly. Do not take an information, wrong, or some information. Always used in the singular form. Used with some, much, a lot of, little, a bit of. Example sentences. She gave me some advice. There is milk in the glass. We need furniture for the new house. He has little patience. Now, difference between countable and uncountable noun. Aspect can be counted. Countable noun, yes. 1, 2, 3. Uncountable noun, no. Forms singular and plural and uncountable only singular. Articles a and can be used, a book, an egg, not used, and information, but some information. Quantifiers many, few, several, uncountable, much, little, a bit of. Examples book, chair, apple, dog, water, rice, advice, music. Now here is an exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable words like many, much, few, little, or a lot of. So here there are 15 sentences given here. Students will write choosing one of the word that is given in the bracket. So that is for today. Thank you very much.